Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best miter saw stand you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best miter saw stand in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT miter saw stand. This tool is very easy to move around because it only weighs 25 pounds, so you can move it around a lot. It has everything you need to do cutting jobs quickly and without any problems. It comes with a corded power outlet that gives you enough power to run cutting processes smoothly. It also comes with a stable wheel and a wide rubber grip that makes it easy to move it around different job sites. As long as it is made of strong tubular steel, it can hold up to 300 pounds of weight without breaking apart. Easily adjustable mounting rails of DEWALT miter saw stand adapt to nearly any miter saw. Miter saw stand with wheels featuring wide rubber grip provide easy job site mobility. The rolling miter saw stand features 3-position pneumatic assisted raising and lowering for the ultimate in flexibility and ease of setup. Durable tubular steel construction allows for a 300 pounds maximum weight capacity. Compact vertical storage option maximizes workplace efficiency and ease of transport. Straightforward one-time assembly minimizes downtime. Our second best miter saw stand is Bosch portable wheeled miter saw stand. Bosch benchtop tools provide the precision and performance your projects require. Durable quality is not only in every tool, but the trust you have in Bosch benchtop tools. The integrated outfeed and supports holds up to 18 feet of material. The universal mounting system allows for use with all major competitors' saws. Equipped with an adjustable telescoping leveling leg to provide stability on uneven surfaces. Featuring a Bosch exclusive, patented gravity rise system designed for rapid setup and easy breakdown, taking the toughest jobs to the next level. The Bosch T4B gravity rise miter saw stand has up to 18 feet of material capacity, the highest capacity among fully portable units. Built with 8-inch pneumatic wheels for ease of transport over job site terrain with even the heaviest miter saws attached. Featuring rapid release tool mounts, for use with most major competitors' miter saws. Adjustable outfeed up to 12-inch in height. Equipped with adjustable leveling feet for stability and durability on uneven surfaces. Material, steel. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is WEN MSA 330 saw stand. With the WEN collapsible rolling miter saw stand, you'll have a sturdy and reliable support system for all your sawing needs. 3 pre-mounted 120 volts outlets provide you up to 15 amps of power, meeting the needs of saws and tools of all sizes. 2 8-inch never flat wheels combine with foldable design for a safe and easy transportation and storage solution. The sliding arms extend anywhere from 32 to 79 inches in width, providing support for boards up to 10.5 feet long. Quick release brackets tightly lock the miter saw in place for simple installation and adjustments. It's easy to put most of your cutting tools on this table because it fits almost any miter saw with little trouble. You can use it for small projects at home or on big construction sites for heavy-duty work. It weighs 38 pounds and can be used for both types of work. Besides, it is made to be the right size and shape so that you can be as comfortable as possible while you work. It also has 3 pre-installed 120V outlets that each can deliver up to 15 amps of power, enough for saws of all sizes. On top of that, it comes with 2 table extensions that let you work with longer materials and bigger saws, so you can do more work. Number 4 on our side is Bora Portamate saw stand. The Bora Portamate PM4000 is the best, most practical, hassle-free stand you'll find for miter saws or chop saws. Constructed of tubular steel with a powder-coated finish. This rugged yet lightweight saw stand can support up to 500 pounds and is compatible with miter saws up to 12 inches, including compound sliding saws. Setup is quick and simple, as the folding legs swing under the center portion and are secured by pins that snap into position. Stand folds up for easy transport, storage and carrying from your vehicle to the worksite. There isn't a lot of work involved in setting this up, and it makes it easy to carry your saw around. You can't even tell how light it is. It can hold up to 500 pounds of weight without bending at all. It can also be used with long miter saws up to 12 inches long. It also works well with sliding saws and chop saws, so you can work on different projects while you're on the move. When you put this table on the ground, you don't have to bend down to cut things because it has a good height of about 36 inches. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best miter saw stand list is Ketter miter saw stand. If you're looking for a small tool that can support your cutting projects for a long time, this table is for you. Durable plastic is covered in a sleek resin to make your workspace look cool. This is what it looks like. Besides, the legs are made of aluminum that can hold up to 1,000 pounds of weight at a time. It is also made in the right size for construction projects that need a lot of power. It also comes with an ergonomic handle, which makes it easy to move the table from one place to another with little effort. When it's not in use, it can be easily folded so that it can be stored in a better way. Even if you use it for simple tasks at home or big construction projects, the support will last for a long time to come. This portable table is built from long-lasting resin and has heavy-duty aluminum legs. It can support up to 1,000 pounds. Its weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. The table weighs only 30 pounds, fully unfolds in less than 30 seconds, and has a built-in carrying handle, so you can bring your work table anywhere without pausing your project for long. This table includes two 12-inch clamps to secure a variety of working materials, making it perfect for any kind of project, including DIY projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, table saw use, and more.